You can now request a payment plan for council tax or business rates arrears by registering or logging into your online account at www.leicester.gov.uk/myrb. You can also use this service to request a copy bill, apply for a discount or exemption, and view your housing benefit or business rates account online. This video will guide you through how to use our new payment arrangement form to request a payment plan for outstanding arrears on your account. On the account summary page, the payment plan request form can be found in the I want to section down the right-hand side of the web page under the quick link Set up a payment arrangement. The beginning of the form will ask you to select which balances you would like to include in the payment arrangement. If you are unable to see the balance you are trying to include in the payment arrangement, please contact the Council Tax Department to discuss this further. For the purposes of this demonstration, there is only one outstanding balance to be included in an arrangement, and this has been selected. However, some accounts may show multiple balances for different years, which can also be included into the payment arrangement. On the next page, the form will ask you to provide the sort code and account number of the bank account you wish to use for payment, and you will also be asked to confirm the bank account being used to make the payment is under your name, and that you are the only person required to authorize the direct debit. When inputting your sort code and account number, please ensure no dashes or spaces are used. Please note that if the bank account is not in your name, or if multiple people are required to authorize the direct debit, you will need to fill in the paper direct debit form to proceed with your request. The paper direct debit form can be accessed by clicking either the paper direct debit form for council tax button, or the paper direct debit form for business rates button, depending on the type of account you're requesting the payment arrangement for. The next page will be where your payment arrangement is calculated. You will either need to input the number of instalments you wish to pay the balance over, or the amount you would like to pay per month to clear the debt. Once you have entered an amount into either box, you must click the Calculate button to be presented with your chosen arrangement. Please note the payments must be paid on time each month to avoid your payment arrangement being cancelled and further recovery action being taken. The proposed payment arrangement will show below the Calculate button, confirming your first payment amount and date, subsequent payment amount, frequency of payments, and the last payment amount and date. There is also a section to fill in your contact information, so the Council Tax Office can either call or email you to discuss your request if required. On the final page, a summary of the information entered will be provided. Please read this page carefully to ensure all of the information in your request is correct. You can use the Previous button at the bottom of the page to go to the previous pages within the form and amend any errors that may have been inputted. If you are happy with all of the information inputted, please press the Submit button to forward your request to the back office team to process. You will then be presented with a confirmation of the form being submitted, where you can also return to the home page again by clicking the button highlighted.